Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our Gooseneck electric kettle series today, we're gonna be unboxing something that I hope to be a top contender on our list. The Cosori original Gooseneck electric kettle. Now, let's take a closer look. Okay, very eye-catching. Okay, you can see here, 5 temperature settings, power supply, 120 volts, 1200 watts, capacity is 0.85 quarts or 1.8 liters. Precise pour, keep warm, boil dry protection, matte black for aesthetic. Great! Now, let's open it up. Okay, first thing I see, instruction manual, customer service. Right away, we have our base in between 2 foam pads. Quite secured, I might add. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over. Quite secured, which I like. Okay, here's our kettle. Here's the base. Here's the lid. Now let's take a closer look at the base, shall we? Okay. The base is made of plastic, not too light, not too heavy. You see here the switch, 5 temperature settings, and hold temperature, which is keep warm. The cord is around 30 inches long, very great for any kind of uses. This is our kettle, stainless steel, very firm handle, feels very good in the hand. The interior is completely stainless steel. I can't see the heating element, so it should be located in the bottom here, which is made of plastic. And here's the lid. Stainless steel interior as well. Let's try assembling the kettle onto the base. Okay, turns very smoothly, very sturdy, not wobbly at all. As you can see that there are 3 holes on the lid here for the vapor to escape. Now let's try pouring in some water and put it to a boil. I'm gonna pour in 500 millimeters of water. Now this is only the first, test run, so I'm just gonna bring it straight up to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the highest temperature setting on this kettle. Okay, turn it on, temperature setting. Okay, so as you can see, these 5 temperature settings serves different purposes. We have tea, we have oolong tea, we have coffee, and we have straight up 100 degrees Celsius. So while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Okay, seems to be quite detailed. I see the specifications including capacity, dimensions, weight, safeguards, parts and feature, before first use, how to use, care and maintenance, with illustrations as well. Very good. Great. Now while we're talking, the kettle already came to a rolling simmer. So let's see when will it come to a rolling boil and turn off. Okay, so the kettle has come to a rolling boil, as you can see from the vapor. Great. So that was very fast. As you can see, the lid is very tightly sealed. The vapor is only coming out from the holes, not from around the lid, nor the spout. Let's open it up. Okay, so even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor, which is a great sign. Now let's see how it pours. Okay, again, feels very good in the hand. Okay, so the stream is very steady, not too fast, not too slow. And I can tilt the kettle over 90 degrees without the lid falling out, which is great. There you have it, the unboxing of the Cosori original gooseneck electric kettle. First impression, so far I'm happy with what I've got. The design is very aesthetic, very ergonomic, and the flow rate is very good. But I would like to have the buttons raised a little bit more because I accidentally touched the switch while I was trying to maneuver them. We're gonna have to end the video here, but we'll dive into each of the temperature settings, their boiling time, and if their temperature coincides in our in-depth review video in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!